Hello YouTube, Text back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix unidentified network problems on Windows computer. It may be Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, any Windows products. If you are facing unidentified network problems, on this video we have 7 solutions, so stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's start from the basic solutions that will help you to solve this unidentified network problem. So the first solution will be disabling airplane mode. So sometimes if your computer is on airplane mode, it may show you or it may show that unidentified network problem. So make sure you disabled the airplane mode on your computer. So you should have to disable the airplane mode before you try to connect your computer to the internet. So if you fix this disabling airplane mode, then the second solution will be restarting your modem. So your modem or your router is equipment that will make you a connection with your internet service provider. So make sure you your internet service provider is providing the internet. So check whether your router is working correctly by restarting your router. So if the second solution is not helping you, then the third solution will be turn off the fast startup, which is fast startup may create a problem on the network connection on your computer through glitching or other effects. So you should have to turn off the fast startup on your computer. So click on the search icon here and type choose a power plan. Choose a power plan and open or choose a power plan. So after you open for choose a power plan, which is you will go to the right corner and select choose what the power button do. So after you select that, then go here, change settings that are currently unavailable. So if this turn on fast startup is ticked, make sure you uncheck this one. So uncheck this one. So turn on fast startup is unchecked in my case, and finally go here and save changes and close the window and check whether the problem solved or not. So if the problem is not solved, then the other problem will be opening your device manager and updating. So again, you will go to your search icon and type device manager. So open the device manager on your computer and go to the network option. So as you can see here, the device manager opened. So go to here network adapters and click here the drop down arrow and find for your network adapter. Maybe you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter. So in my case, I'm using the Ethernet. So here it is my adapter. So if you are using Wi-Fi, then select the Wi-Fi, and most of the time it will be Realtek. So right click on it and select update driver. So update driver, then search automatically for a driver. So it will search for the updated driver and it says that the best driver for your device are already installed. So close this and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the update driver is not solving, then the fifth solution will be run network troubleshooter. So to run the troubleshooter, then again we will go to here the search icon and type trouble. As you can see, troubleshoot setting. You will find when you type trouble, you will get troubleshoot setting. So open the troubleshoot setting on your computer. So here the troubleshoot opened. So select other troubleshoot. For the troubleshoot option, select other troubleshooters. And the first option will be internet connection, which is run this in order to troubleshoot the unidentified network problem. So I'm going to select run and it will show you some steps, then follow the steps in order to fix the problem. So it's detecting the problem. So here I'm going to select troubleshoot my connection to the internet, and it detects the problem. You can try exploring other problems that might be helpful. Troubleshooting cannot identify the problem. It says the troubleshooter did not find the problem, but in your case it may get some solution. So if the troubleshooter gets the problem related with unidentified network problems, then well done. But if it's showing you again the same problem, then solution number 6 will be trying some commands. So solution number 6, we will try some commands that will help us to solve the problem. So click the search icon and type cmd and the command prompt will appear on your screen, and right click on it and select run as administrator. So it will open the command prompt, and on the command prompt here I have some commands, which is kind of 9 or 10 commands. Then copy paste each of them, so each of them will have a solution for the unidentified network problem. So I'm going to copy ipconfig release. It's going to release all the IP data, so copy this and paste it. And the second one, ipconfig renew, it will going to renew the IP, then paste and press enter. So it will take some time to process. And next, which is copy this one, so WinSocket will be reset. So paste this one and press enter. So it will reset the WinSocket. And this one, IP reset, and press enter. Then it will flash the DNS. The next two commands will flash the DNS, and press enter. And this one again, copy on CMD and press enter. Windows IP configuration, it will re-register the DNS. And this one will make TCP/IP related with TCP/IP. Then copy this one again, paste it, and press enter. And proceed to the second one, copy this one and paste it. And the final one, copy this. So we have one more, and paste it. And the final one will be this one. So all these four, the last four are related with TCP/IP. So here we finished. Then close the CMD and check whether your unidentified network problem is solved or not with this. If this commands did not solve your problem, the final solution for this video is changing the DNS server. So the DNS is the server that will be responsible for opening the websites. Maybe it's related with a DNS server problem. So we are going to set a DNS server to the computer. So in order to set it, again, we will go to here, the search icon, click the search icon and type control panel. Control panel. So here we find the control panel. Open the control panel, and if you find your control panel like this, make sure change the category to large icon and select network and sharing center. So after the network sharing center opened, then go to the right corner and select change adapter setting. So it will open change adapter setting. So if you are using Wi-Fi, it will show you the Wi-Fi, or if you are using Ethernet, it will show you the Ethernet category. So just select what you are using on the moment. So right click, I am using the Ethernet, so I'm going to click on it, right click on it and select properties. So after you select properties, you will find here networking. On networking, you will find here Internet Protocol version 4, which is TCP/IPv4. Select this one and select properties. So after you select properties, it will give you an option: obtain the DNS server address automatically or use the following DNS server address. So select use and put this command, which is 8.8.8.8 on the first one, which is preferred DNS server. On the second one, put 8.8.4.4, then press OK and close this one and close again this and close this, and check whether the unidentified network problem on your Windows is solved or not. So these are the 7 solutions that will help you to solve an unidentified network problem on your computer. And if this solution helped you, please subscribe, like, and give me comments on the comment section. And for today, Chash Take out.